Lesson 47, Circumference and Area. Here are the directions. Students are going to follow along with their instructor to find the circumference and area of each circle. Include the units. Let's go over box A and box B together. Here, we're going to find the circumference and the area of this circle, and students need to extract the correct information from the diagram. To find the circumference, students need to know the diameter of the circle. However, the problem only gives us the radius of the circle, so we need to figure out the diameter on our own. Let's go ahead and do that now. The problem says a circle has a radius of 3 inches. So we always start with a circle and a center. Draw the center now. Now let's draw a radius of 3 inches. So here is a radius of 3 inches. So we know that the radius of the circle is 3 inches. Now let's figure out the diameter. If the radius is 3 inches, how long is the diameter, which goes all the way across? And we know that 3 times 2 equals 6. So the diameter is 6 inches. Now we can use that information in box A. The circumference of a circle is pi times d. So on the next line, we'll write down equals. Pi is 3.14. And the diameter is 6 inches. Let's simplify. 3.14 times 6. Do the calculations on the side, and you'll end up with 18.84. And our units are inches. So our final answer is a circumference of 18.84 inches. Now for box B. The area of a circle is pi times r squared. So on the next line, pi is 3.14. Instead of writing r squared, we'll write down 3 inches squared. So here we have 3 inches squared. Let's simplify. On the next line, here's 3.14. 3 squared equals 9. Inches squared equals inches squared. Let's simplify. 3.14 times 9. Do the calculations on the side, and you'll end up with 28.26. And our units are inches squared. So our final answer is an area of 28.26 inches squared, or 28.26 square inches. Let's take a look at the second row. A circle has a diameter of 8 meters. So we start with a circle and a center. Draw the center now. And now let's draw a diameter of 8 meters. So here is a diameter of 8 meters. We know that the diameter is 8 meters. Now let's figure out the radius. If the diameter is 8 meters, how long is the radius, which only goes halfway? And we know that half of 8 is 4. So the radius is 4 meters. Let's move on to box C. The circumference equals pi times d. On the next line, pi equals 3.14, and the diameter is 8 meters. Let's simplify. 3.14 times 8. Do the calculations on the side, and you'll end up with 25.12. And our units are meters. So our final answer is a circumference of 25.12 meters. Here's box D. The area equals pi times r squared. So on the next line, pi is 3.14. And instead of writing r squared, we're going to write down 4 meters squared. So here we have 4 meters squared. Let's go to the next line. Here's 3.14. And now let's simplify 4 meters squared. 4 squared equals 16. Meters squared equals meters squared. Let's simplify. Here we have 3.14 times 16. Do the work on the side, and you'll end up with 50.24. And our units are meters squared. So our final answer is an area of 50.24 meters squared, or 50.24 square meters.